Nobody, and I mean absolutely nobody, tells you that if you sell your PDFs on Stan Store and Gumroad, that only your existing audience, people that know, like, and trust you, are going to purchase it from you. No stranger is going to pull out their credit card unless you copy what I do. Nobody tells you that there's a specific formula to making serious money selling PDFs, and most people are missing at least one piece of it. And nobody tells you that only premium PDFs will give you a premium bank balance. I've been selling PDFs since 2009, and millions of dollars later, I'm going to tell you exactly how this works. So what bothers me overall is that people think that you can create some kind of little crappy PDF and upload it to Stan Store and start promoting your Stan Store link. Well, not only is that an unprofessional thing to do, but again, a stranger is not going to purchase from your Stan Store link. When I first started selling PDFs back in 2009 and 10, I was personally wondering why, like, I wasn't making real money. I found marketers online. These marketers were marketers like Frank Kern and John Reese. These are the OG internet marketers. These guys were making $100,000 to $500,000 a month selling simple PDFs, and believe it or not, some of them were selling $17 PDFs and making that kind of money. And I wanted to know exactly how they were making this kind of money. Like, why am I making a few dollars, which a few dollars was a couple $1,000s a month, and they're making on a terrible month $50,000 in a month? And I just didn't know why this was possible and how it was possible. And it's because they had three things. The first thing they had is they had premium PDFs that people actually wanted to purchase. And I always wondered what a premium PDF was. And a premium PDF overall is a PDF that looks like it come from a university. Let's say if Harvard created a PDF, or Yale, this PDF looked like it would come from one of those schools, an Ivy League school. And if you have a PDF that looks like that, people are going to take it seriously, and they're going to recommend it to friends and people in their circle that may also need that PDF. So whenever people are selling PDFs online, a lot of people want to just put some kind of little scrappy PDF together. They want to go to Canva or use Google Docs to create one, or they want to, let's say, go to a website and try to find one that people are selling and it's absolute garbage because there's 1,000 other people selling the same one. The problem with that is these are low quality PDFs that too many people got their hands on, or if you are creating one on your own, the problem with that is you most likely don't know how to create a premium PDF that is top of the line level PDFs that people will actually want to purchase. That's step one. Step two, what you will need is you will need a very powerful, persuasive sales page. And this is a sales page that got to match. It has to match the PDF itself. So this is the main step right here that a lot of people are missing, because again, even if you've got a really nice looking PDF and if you upload it to Gumroad and a person's never heard of you before, why would they click on a Gumroad link and purchase your PDF? It's just super unprofessional and most likely will not work. Now, I'm not saying it can't work, because you can make a few $1,000s a month by doing that. But people that are making 6 and 7 figures a month, literally selling PDFs, they are using a professional sales page with persuasive sales copy, just like the one right here on the screen. Whenever you got a sales page that look this good and it matches the PDF perfectly, these are the things right here that you are missing and that people are not telling you about that can help you print money. I'm talking about going from $0 to $100 a day, $1,000 a day, and beyond. These are the type of sales pages right here that can help make that possible. But again, nobody's showing you this and nobody's talking about it, because the people that are using this strategy, they're most likely keeping it for themselves. I ran across a few of them early on and they were not willing to share it until I was on a webinar and I seen exactly what they were using, and this was the strategy they were using. This strategy was working then and it's also working now. Whenever you got a sales page that look this good and is this professional with all of the points that uses psychology in order to sell the PDFs, it is nearly impossible to fail. It's nearly impossible for people to not click that purchase button at the bottom of the sales page, because that's exactly what it's meant to do. It's meant to move people in the exact direction that they need to be moved in order to convert them from a visitor into a sale. And once again, if you got a stand store link, the people that know, like, and trust you, they'll happily buy, but strangers most likely do not buy. And if they do, again, it's a cap on how much you'll end up making if you using an unprofessional link like a stand store link. So a persuasive sales page that goes along with the high quality PDF are two steps of this process. Now, the third step is the step that a lot of people were really fascinated by when I shared my recent 2 videos about selling PDFs. The third step is having a professional mock-up. Now, I gave an example. Whenever you walk into, let's say, a mall and there's a mannequin with an outfit on, you know, the plastic mannequins that wears outfits to show you how the outfits look. Well, that's exactly how our professional mock-ups for our sales page and our PDFs work. These mock-ups are meant to tell the visitors and the viewers exactly what they can get and what they can expect. It's also solving a problem right there within the mock-up. Now, if you look at this mock-up right here on the screen, it has the price for transparency. So let's say if we're running a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad and we're using this mock-up as the ad creative, well, the price is already on here. So if somebody see that this can solve their problem, that this PDF can solve their problem, and they click through, they are 10 times more likely to make a purchase because they already see that it can solve their problem, and they also see how much it costs. So they're 10 times likely to make a purchase versus clicking on a random little scrappy image that you made in Canva that most likely will not work and convert people into buyers, because it has the price and is professionally made, and last but not least, it matches your PDF and your persuasive sales page. These are the 3 steps right here that nobody are telling you when it comes to selling PDFs. The reason why most people are not telling you this, because most people do not even know this themselves. Now, if you click on a link in the description of this video, you will be able to tap into PDF Vault. PDF Vault is the vault that I created that gives you all 3 of these steps. As soon as you tap into the vault, you will gain access to the premium PDFs, the sales page, and also the mock-up that will help you sell your PDFs. And once you have these 3 steps, again, there's no losing with this. So PDF Vault is something that I wanted to create because a lot of people was like, how do I get my hands on all 3 of these steps? I mean, I can easily create a PDF, but how do I get the persuasive sales page? How do I get the mock-ups? Well, PDF Vault is going to give you all 3 of those. Tap the link in the description to tap into the vault. I've been selling PDFs for so many years, so I wanted to make a video to just talk about this. Right now, I'm relaxing in my hotel room. This is a video that I don't intend to be super professional or anything like that. I just wanted to shoot this video real quick to let you know what works and what doesn't work. Is going to Canva, creating a little scrappy PDF, going and creating a little scrappy image, uploading that PDF to Stand Store, and trying to sell it to complete strangers. It doesn't work. And you're probably watching this video because you've tried to sell PDFs and you know it hasn't been working. If it have been working, then it's probably people that already follow you on social media. But within the PDF Vault, what I plan on doing is I plan on creating a very tight-knit group of people that really want to crush it selling PDFs and do it the way that I do it and have done it for nearly 20 years. And those are the 3 steps right there that it takes in order to really make it happen. And that's why I wanted to create PDF Vault. I didn't even have PDF Vault at first. I just wanted to create something to where I can make it super easy for you. Not only that, whenever you join PDF Vault, whatever PDF that you decide to sell, you will immediately be able to have a share link. So you'll be able to have a share link to start sharing your sales page. Of course, you'll be able to edit that sales page within the vault and connect your purchase button to it, so all of the money goes to you. But there will be a share link immediately ready for you inside the vault, so you can immediately start promoting. Because PDF Vault is new, we don't have it just yet where you can connect like your domain name, like your .com or whatever, but we're also planning on adding that as well, so you can connect your own domain name. But right now, PDF Vault is open. The vault is open. So again, if you tap the link in the description, you will be able to tap into PDF Vault to start selling premium, extremely persuasive PDFs that people actually want to buy and that actually solve problems. I'm the person that you can learn from when it comes to crushing this game, because again, if you check some of my older videos, you can probably search for some of my older videos right here on YouTube. I've been making videos for a long time, and I've been talking about PDFs and selling them for a long time. So if anybody can teach you this game and teach you how it's done, I'm one of those people that can help you make that happen. PDF Vault is going to change the game. Mark my word on that. And I'm here to help you make this happen. I'm here to help you really skyrocket your income selling PDFs. And if you want to do it the way that actually works, tap the link in the description and go ahead and tap into the vault.